Hey, Justin here with Dalinghaus Construction. We talk a lot about foundation problems, the cracks, uneven floors, the sticky doors, but today we're flipping the script. Let's talk about how foundation repair can actually increase your home's value. Whether you're planning to sell, refinance, or just protect your investment, fixing foundation issues isn't just maintenance, it's one of the smartest financial decisions a homeowner can make. Your home's foundation isn't just a slab of concrete, it's the backbone to your property. And when it moves, everything above it moves too. Buyers and appraisers notice these issues immediately. Cracks in the drywall, sloping floors, gaps around windows, all red flags. If you were buying a home and saw this, would you feel confident paying full price? Most people wouldn't. According to the National Association of Realtors, 78% of homeowners say they worry about foundation problems, and nearly a quarter of them would rather sell the home than repair it. But here's the thing, fixing the problem doesn't just make your house safer, it makes it worth more. Let's break down how foundation repair impacts your property value. Buyer confidence. Buyers want stability, literally. A home with certified, repaired foundation gives buyers confidence that they won't face big repair bills later, and that confidence translates directly into stronger offers. When your foundation is fixed by a professional, you're not selling a problem, you're selling peace of mind. Higher appraisal value. Appraisers must document any structural issues. If your foundation is unstable, it'll drag your appraisal down, sometimes as much as 25%. But once the foundation is repaired and certified, your home's marketability goes up. In fact, regions where foundation issues are common, like here in California, homes with documented repairs often sell faster and for higher prices than homes with visible damage. Stronger negotiation power. Foundation issues give buyers leverage. They'll ask for price cuts or concessions. When you've already repaired your foundation, that leverage disappears. You can sell with confidence, avoid lowball offers, and keep the upper hand at the negotiation table. Now, let's talk about what everyone wants to know. Cost and return. Foundation repairs can range from $1,000 to well over $10,000 depending on the type of problem. That might sound like a lot, but let's look at it as an investment, not an expense. Unrepaired foundation issues can lower your property value by up to 25%. That means a $600,000 home could lose $150,000 in value just from neglect. But by investing in repairs, say $10,000, you can protect that equity, restore your value, and prevent much bigger problems later. Think of it this way. You wouldn't ignore a leaky roof or a broken AC. Your foundation deserves that same attention because it affects everything else in your home. So, what exactly is foundation repair? Helical piers are steel piers that are drilled deep into stable soil to lift and support the foundation. They're perfect for homes built on shifting or expansive soils. Slab jacking or polyurethane, it's a foam injection for sinking slabs. We inject high density foam underneath to lift and level concrete in minutes, no heavy demolition required. Carbon fiber straps, these reinforce bowing foundation walls, stopping further movement and protecting the structure. Drainage and waterproofing. And of course, water is a foundation's worst enemy. We install drainage systems, French drains, or sump pumps to keep moisture away and prevent future issues. Every home is different, but the goal is always the same. Stop the movement, stabilize the structure, and protect your property value. When you repair your foundation, you're not just fixing cracks, you're protecting your future. You avoid expensive structural damage later, you increase your resale and appraisal value, and you gain peace of mind knowing your home is safe, stable, and secure. Foundation repair also adds curb appeal. Cracks disappear, doors align, and your home simply looks more cared for, something every buyer notices. So, if you've been putting off foundation repair because you're worried about the cost, remember this, it's not just a fix, it's an investment that pays you back in value, safety, and confidence. At Dalinghaus Construction, we've helped thousands of homeowners protect their homes and their property value across Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada. Schedule your free foundation inspection today, and let's make sure your biggest investment stays on solid ground. Because your home deserves a solid foundation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.